Hey, welcome guys. Today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy M30s. So it's just with me right now. I'm just going to unbox it. So let's hop onto it. Subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Okay, let's unbox this. So, okay, tear it down right over there. Okay, done there. Hey, have a look. Only Indian SIM cards. Yeah. Or you'll get a network unlocker. Yeah, I get that more often when I get phones from another countries. Yeah. Okay, let's get it down right there. Okay, tear it down, place it that way, then lift it up. Okay, done. So from here, okay, the phone will be kept by the side for some time, and let's look at what's inside the box now. Okay, that's the phone aside now, and yes, that must be the fast charger. So let's get that out and let's look at the specs. Okay, yes, it's 9 volt and 1.67 ampere, or 5 volt and 2 ampere. It looks good. Okay, now that's what we call the USB type C. Yay, USB type C. It's actually very good, and also we get the fast charging, not to mention. And I've seen and I've read that it will charge in about 1.5 hours. Yes, it's a massive 6000 mAh battery, and which I haven't ever seen so far in any of the phones. And yes, let's press the power button, or let's just have a look at the physical form. Okay, it's just like glass in the back with the 3 cameras and an LED flash with a fingerprint sensor. Yeah, looks good with that glass and stuff. I don't know if it's glass, but it's really shiny. And yeah, yes, this is the front part, and in here, yeah, you see this. That's a fingerprint sensor, I've already said before. And let's power this on. I can wait to power this on. Yes, it says Samsung Galaxy M30s, and it's powered by Android. Yeah, that's what we'll see more often. And let's place it over there for a bit more time. And yes, let me like set this device up when it just boots up. It booted up pretty quick, right? And let me set this up for this time now. Okay, let's move on to the specs. And by the way, it comes with the display of 6.4-inch Samsung Exynos 9611, front camera 16 MP and a rear 48.5 and 8 MP. Yeah, triple cam, not to mention. And then the RAM will be 4 gigabytes and storage will be 64 gigabytes. And the battery capacity is the massive. It's 6000 mAh and it runs on Android 9 Pie. And yes, let's hop onto the launcher right now. And I didn't like that icons, so let's just reduce its size maybe. Yeah, I like this bit more better. So okay, I'll just apply that, and let's sort it by alphabetic order. Yeah, that looks better. And yeah, you know that this is the notification bar. And what's that? Media. I haven't heard enough. I don't have this in my Galaxy J6 Plus. And let me turn off that location maybe. Okay, then you see that. I don't know if it has NFC or not, but it's One UI and it's pretty good. We have some stock apps pre-installed maybe. No, we can say that it's stock, right? It's just some apps. Okay, that's my front cam maybe, and I'll just drop a front cam video or the camera review. So be sure to watch this until the end of the video so that I can show you the end screen, or you may please check the description below for some of the videos on this device. So I may be developing some custom ROMs and stuff, and yeah, you are welcome. And yeah, that's a mouse. Let me try taking a photo maybe. Yes, that works. And I think we have the wide angle lens there, and also let me turn the wide angle lens. Yeah, it looks pretty good, better, right? I love this shot. Yeah, so let me check on the video maybe. And here we are. Wow, we can record this wide angle videos also. And yeah, that's the settings of the camera. And we have the rear video size set to 1080p. So since we have 4K, let's change that right over there. And yes, that's a front video size. We have only after FHD, that's 1080p. And the so there's not much of good settings right over here. I think so. That's just the stock settings over there. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And I will drop a gaming performance of this phone also. And thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.